Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most reliable and high-performing products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best snowblower cable, the Eamonhigh 946-0423OB Auger cable replacement. If you're dealing with a snowblower that's losing performance or has a broken clutch cable, then this might just be the upgrade or replacement you've been waiting for. Let's start with what this product is and why it stands out. The Eamonhigh 946-0423OB Auger cable is a direct replacement cable designed specifically for a wide range of popular snowblower brands including Troy-Bilt, MTD, Craftsman, and Cub Cadet. It also covers replacements for models under Yard Machines and other MTD manufactured brands. The compatibility is impressive, and it means fewer worries about fitment issues. The overall cable length comes in at 47.5 inches, making it a perfect fit for the auger control system without needing any modifications. Installation is where this cable really shines. It features a Z-bend on one end and a spring on the other. This classic configuration ensures a secure and proper connection, replicating the original factory setup. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or someone who's new to snowblower maintenance, you'll appreciate the plug-and-play feel of this part. In fact, many users are able to replace their broken or stretched cable in just a few minutes using standard tools, without any professional help. Now, let's talk about performance. Once installed, the Eamonhigh Auger cable engages the auger clutch smoothly and precisely. There's no lag or slack, and the spring action gives a satisfying level of tension that helps restore the snowblower's responsiveness. You'll immediately feel the difference, especially if your previous cable was worn out or frayed. This translates to safer and more efficient snow clearing during the winter season. Durability is another major win for this product. The cable is made from high-quality materials that hold up against the cold, wet, and abrasive conditions typical of snowblower use. The construction resists kinking and snapping, even in below-freezing temperatures. That means fewer replacements, less downtime, and better peace of mind when the snow starts to pile up. The packaging is simple: one auger clutch cable, securely packed and ready for use. There are no unnecessary extras, just exactly what you need to get your snowblower back in action. And if you're wondering about supported models, this cable is designed to work with Troy-Bilt Storm 3090, 2840, 2410, and 2620. It's also compatible with a range of Cub Cadet 2X and 3X snowblowers. It fits MTD snowblowers from 2012 and 2013, and works with many Craftsman snowthrowers as well. So whether you're doing preventive maintenance or you've got a snapped cable in the middle of a storm, the Eamonhigh 946-0423OB is the perfect fix. It's reliable, easy to install, highly compatible, and built to last. That wraps up today's review. If you're in the market for a top-performing replacement cable, don't overlook this model from Eamonhigh. It's our top pick for the season, and we're confident it'll become yours too. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our reviews of the best tools and gear to keep your home running smoothly. Stay warm, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.